everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello, hello. Today I am doing my Galaxy pour for May 4th. I'm going to try something different than I've done before, so I'm kind of excited about this. I need to get some gloves, I forgot. But I'm going to do a Galaxy pour, like I said, and I want to try to have so I painted my base down, and then I just kind of flickled with my paintbrush some stars on there, and then I kind of did a few little things. I don't know if I'm going to keep them. We'll see what it looks like once get up to that point. But I kind of want to do something that kind of has like a circular galaxy type thing going on. So we'll see what happens. I know this is going to take a few different layers, which I'm okay with. But first off, I'm going to start off with my base. So I'm just going to put down a clear coat here. And like I said, this is going to be a few layers. So what we end up with today, we'll add on to that tomorrow. So, all right. I'm just going to kind of spread out some here. This is I believe it's a 10 by 10 wood cradled board. Something that I just got from like Walmart, I believe. It was either Walmart or Michael's or Hobby Lobby, but I think it was Walmart. I've actually been pretty fortunate with the ones from Walmart, so I'm not complaining about them. I haven't had any issue with any warping or anything with these wood boards that I've gotten from them. So hey, they're pretty reasonable price there. So, and they're not warping. I'm happy with it. I don't care where I get it from. I'm not, you know, works out good. So, but yeah, they're like right in the craft section. They have all different sizes and different, different lengths and whatnot, different styles as well too. So lots to choose from there. Same thing with Michael's and stuff. So let's see. So I'm going to get all the air bubbles out of here. This is a little tool that I got from the Dollar Tree. And it kind of has little ends with little balls on them that I want to use to kind of swirl the other one in. So I'm going to start with this purple that I have. It's from eyecandy. This is Sunfire Violet, but look at how beautiful that purple is. It's gorgeous. going to bring it down for a little bit of a close-up here for the first layer so you can kind of see a little bit closer what's going on. But look at how cool that looks. I'm super excited. Sorry about the light up above, but you can kind of see better what it's doing. So there we are with that first layer, and then we'll be back tomorrow for the next layer. All right, so we're back for the next layer. As you can kind of see, my board was leaning a little bit, so it kind of went out the side here, but it's okay because I can fix that. I'm just going to put down my layer of clear again. All right. So the purple that I'm going to use this time is Periwinkle purple. Sorry about that light there. But I really like it. I think it's kind of cool. A little bigger than I wanted. I didn't want it to be quite as big, but that was my fault because I moved this from this spot to the other side of my table and it wasn't quite level over there for some reason, so it kind of ran to the side. But just look at how pretty them colors are together. I love that gold in there. I like how I blew the outside out a little bit, kind of give it that kind of floating look. But you guys will have to tell me what you think. I do appreciate everybody watching, and I will have a dried result at the end here. But I do thank everybody for joining us today. Hopefully you guys will like and subscribe and share and all that fun jazz. And please go and check out Rose if you haven't already. She went before me. And check out her Galaxy Pour for the May the 4th. And yeah, I do thank you guys for watching. And thanks again, Rose, for doing the collaboration. I'm excited for our next one. We're doing a geode one on the 12th, which I'm super excited about. I think I said that already when I was doing this. I don't know if it was this video or not, but but thanks everybody for watching. Have a good day, have a good evening, and keep being creative. Bye.